Look no further than the 2021 Chrysler 300. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 70,000 miles on the odometer. The Chrysler 300, the bold and luxurious full-size sedan that's safe, stylish, comfortable, and loaded with the latest technology to keep you connected and entertained. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, touchscreen infotainment system, keyless entry, fog lamps, satellite radio, heated mirrors, backup camera, premium sound system, power passenger seat, heated front seat. Get the stylish, sophisticated sedan you want and the technology you need. Get into the 300.